Well, hello everyone, this is Kimberly here. Welcome to Diva Designing on a Dime with Kimberly Davis. Today I'm super excited because I am co-hosting a collaboration along with my beautiful friend Marilyn of Fabulous Designs on a Budget. We are hosting the Fall Bar Cart and Drink Collab for 2019. Now, the participants that are participating in this collab, all we ask is that you style out your bar cart for fall and create a fall beverage. The rest was up to you. Keeping things simple, guys. So right now, I'm going to share with you my fall beverage. So I will be making for you a autumn harvest punch. This is a non-alcoholic drink. It takes about 5 minutes to prepare and the ingredients are very simple. You will use one 64-ounce bottle of apple juice. You will use a half a bottle of cranberry juice. You will use a half a cup of orange juice. I am using the juice out of the sliced pears to give it a little more sweetness. And this is optional. If you wanted to add ginger ale or a lemon lime soda to create a fizz, you could do so. But I'm not. I'm going to keep it simple. You will mix all of these ingredients together and you will have a delicious beverage for the fall season that all of your family and friends will enjoy. Isn't this beverage dispenser cute? I picked it up a couple of years ago from Target, and you know how your girl roll because she buys things on sale and clearance. Picked it up for $7, guys, and I love it, and I love pulling it out for the fall season. So now we're going to go place our delicious beverage on my bar cart so I can show you how it looks sitting there in its space. So let's go. And here's my bar cart for the fall season. Decorated in gold, white, and pink. So let me show you around. Starting off, this bar cart is located between my living room, dining room combo. I have this beautiful wreath in the blush pink hanging above it, and I picked this beautiful wreath up from Marshall's. To the right, I have my two gold candlesticks with candles wrapped in a blush ribbon and my totally dazzled bling that I love to use on just about everything. Now, if you are interested in any Totally Dazzled products, I am affiliated with them and the link will be listed in the description box down below. It's just not for tablescapes, it's for any of your tablescape and home decor needs. As you can see, I have my pumpkin dispenser here, sitting on a pedestal, ready to serve my fall drink. And I also wrapped the top stem of that pumpkin in that blush ribbon. I have my pink glasses that I picked up a couple of years ago from Ross, ready for guests to help themselves with this delicious beverage. All of it is sitting on a gold mirrored tray. I have this pedestal and this dome or cloche filled with gold glittered pumpkins. And I love topping any and everything with that beautiful ribbon that I picked up from Hobby Lobby. Moving to the second shelf, as you can see here, I have a vase, beautiful gold vase, filled with the same flowers from that wreath. The vase I picked up from Burlington, and the flowers came from Marshall's. And it is a set of 3. Now, sitting at the base of that vase, I have a pink pumpkin with a gold stem that I picked up from Home Goods. And the other pumpkins, the gold pumpkins, I already had. Now moving to the left, check out the fox. That fox I picked up from Bath and Body Works. When I saw him, I had to bring him home with me. How cute is he? And instead of putting a Bath and Body Works candle atop it, I took a small little pedestal, a cupcake pedestal, and a dome, and placed a candle in it. And the fox is sitting on my pink Lazy Susan that I picked up from Home Goods a couple of years ago. Now, sitting at the floor of my bar cart, you see I have a little pumpkin patch going. Again, those are pumpkins I already had. This gold fall lettering came from Hobby Lobby. I've had that for a couple of years as well, but they still have it at Hobby Lobby. And more gold pumpkins. Also, those leaves, gold leaves that you see, I've had those for many, many years as well. But I've seen them in Walmart. And I've just added this fur rug to tie in more pink. I ordered that off of Amazon. The bar cart itself was a recent purchase from Amazon as well, by Ashley's. Let me give you a last glance of my bar cart. am loving my bar cart, my new bar cart. I've owned the one that I have from outside, and I will link the summer bar cart and beverage collab up in the iCards above, so you can take a look at that, as well as the playlist link, so you can see all the creators that participated in that one. But I'm loving my indoor bar cart. It is giving me a glam feel. I'm trying something with the gold, and I'm loving it. And I continued on with the pink that I have fallen in love with also. Please go over to Marilyn's channel. I will have her channel linked in the description box down below, as well as the playlist of all the participants who are participating in this collab. Guys, I cannot wait to kick my feet up with my fall beverage and enjoy watching all of the beautiful bar carts that will be displayed today. If you are new here, welcome to the channel. I'm so glad that you are here, and I hope that you decide to stay with us by pushing that subscribe button and subscribe to the channel. And don't forget, when you subscribe to the channel, don't forget to ring the bell so you will be notified of all the videos that I upload. I can be followed on other social media sites, which are Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, as well as Twitter. Those links to those social media sites, they will be listed in the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. You take care, you be blessed, and I will see you on the next video. Love you guys. Have a blessed day.